Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to Howtopedia tutorial channel. Today I am going to show you a very important tricks regarding Facebook issues. Due to Facebook upgradation, one important extension didn't work properly for Facebook group users, and that is a group invite all Chrome extension. That's why today's my topic is how to add all friends in a Facebook group just only one click without blocking ID. So let's go. First of all, you have to install Chrome extension from Google named as Group Invite All. Got it? This is the deserved Group Invite All extension. Now I'm going to install this. Add to Chrome, add extension. Okay, this extension already added to Chrome browser. Okay, now I'm going to Facebook group. Mm, Facebook group. Suppose Banglar Pitha. This is page. I need group. Group. Oh, join. Okay, I already member of this group. Now the extension. The extension is here. Just click the group invite all extension and you see a pop-up on the screen. Before starting, you have to follow some instruction that is given by Google itself about Facebook group invite wall extension, so that the Facebook group will not block any ID by that instruction. And what is the instruction? And that is here. The instruction is mentioned that Facebook security is increased as my research need to add one member after 15 seconds gap and 1000 friends in a day. Then there is no blocking. This is because of Facebook updates. Okay. 15 seconds. Okay, instead of 15 seconds I can try 120 seconds. 20 seconds. Now start adding. It works. After 20 seconds it will add another friend. Second, after 20 seconds it will also add another friend. Okay, third one. Fourth. Fifth. Okay, this extension really works properly. Now let's go to check the blocking system. I have to wait a few minutes to check the blocking. Already 6 added, no blocking ID. 7 added without blocking my ID. 9 added. Dear friends, please wait for a few minutes. Just checking that is my Facebook ID block or not to use this extension. Already 10 added friends without blocking my ID. Sorry, dear friends, for waiting for long times. After waiting for long times, is Facebook did not block my ID, so it works properly. It is experimented and proved. Okay, dear friends, if you like this tutorial, please like, comments, and share the tutorial to your friends. And the new friend who are watching this video, please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for further updates. Thank you very much again.